Hey guys, my name is Grant, and I'm going to give another quick tutorial over how our partnership program Trello board is going to work. So, if you're new, you will have seen this or gotten an invite to this board via an application. Once you're in, this is kind of what the board looks like, and this is how it works. So, we have offers, and offers are different offers have different partnership levels. So when you get in, you should see your name here in either level 1, 2, or 3. We may change how the levels work in the future. That's currently how it works. And then you'll have a card here with your Matrino profile name, and then your Trello user is assigned to it. So you should see yourself there. And then what you're going to want to do is come over here to the beginning area of the board to see different sorts of offers that you can accept. So we'll use clothing as an example. If we want our announcers to wear 24-hour fitness hat and t-shirt and get paid $15 for that, we're going to click into here. We're going to see the description of it. We're going to see what the requirements are, additional information, and then a completion checklist. So for instance, at the end, we're going to fill out this form as part of our completion checklist. So if everything looks good, we're going to click claim offer. Clicking on that will move it to the in progress. It's going to tag you. It's going to set a due date. Most things are about 2 months to complete, but it'll be on a per offer basis. And then we send half the payment up front. So once that's done, it may take a day or two, but we'll put a message in, which you should get an alert that half the payment was received. That goes immediately into your Matcherino account. And then once we're done, we're gonna drag this, or you can hit get complete offer, but not everyone sees that because unless you have like a paid Trello account, you only get one power up, which we have for just claim offer. Anyway, move it to completed, at which point someone on the Matcherino staff will review the form that was completed and will also send you the other half of the payment. So the goal here is that you can just easily start accepting these offers. Everything's clear exactly what you need to do, and then you're going to be getting paid for doing it. Um, to start, most everyone, regardless of offer level, should start with the Matrino call out. This is a test offer that once you perform that well, then you can do all the other offers. And then you can see here, if you click into a card, the different levels. So level 2, for instance, I can only complete this if I'm a level 2 partner. And then some of the sponsors too, we're trying to get more sponsors, but some of the sponsors only want US based audiences. So if that's the case, then they'll have this tag too. So if you're a TO, an organizer that your audience is mostly overseas, don't do any of these offers. And then this is a Trello board that's kind of open to the community. Everyone that's in our partnership program, we want to trust. You can change things on the card. Don't change anything on the card. You should only be clicking claim offer or moving it to completed. If you are messing with this, you'll be kicked from our partnership program. I'm on Matcherino and within the Trelloship board. But that's it. We're going to be hopefully bringing on lots of sponsors soon, have lots of offers, and we want a system that makes this super easy for you guys to make money doing it and then make these sponsors happy. So we're excited to get this launched, and thanks for all your help, and really appreciate any feedback you guys have. All right, thanks. See you soon. Bye.